Hello and welcome to today's session. In this session, we will focus on learning outcome 5. Be able to contribute to the quality improvement and quality assurance arrangements of your organization. You will gain insights into how you can actively support and enhance the quality processes within your workplace. If you have any questions during the session, please don't hesitate to reach out via WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688. A member of our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to an engaging and informative session. Quality assurance maintains standards in teaching and learning. Practitioners adhere to assessment policies, ensuring validity and fairness. Internal verification processes maintain consistency across departments. Compliance with safeguarding and equality policies shows commitment to accountability. Accurate record-keeping supports audits and inspections. Quality improvement focuses on raising standards and outcomes. Reflective practice helps identify teaching strengths and weaknesses. Learner feedback informs curriculum and teaching improvements. Continuous professional development enhances subject expertise. Sharing good practice fosters a culture of improvement. Quality assurance and improvement benefit learners, practitioners, and organizations. Learners experience fair assessments and improved teaching. Practitioners gain credibility and growth opportunities. Organizations strengthen reputation and compliance. Continuous development aligns with stakeholder expectations. Together, they drive educational excellence. Organizations establish policies on safeguarding and assessment. These ensure compliance with legal frameworks. Assessments are standardized and verified internally and externally. Monitoring and evaluation include lesson observations and self-assessment reports. Inspections promote transparency and public trust. Reflective practice helps staff identify strengths and weaknesses. Learner feedback shapes curriculum and teaching strategies. Continuous professional development updates skills and knowledge. Collaboration through team meetings enhances teaching quality. Strategic development plans outline long-term goals. Quality assurance ensures fairness and compliance for learners. Quality improvement enhances learning experiences and outcomes. For staff, QA provides accountability, while QI encourages growth. Organizations benefit from a strong reputation and competitiveness. Together, they ensure continuous educational excellence. Self-assessment and evaluation are key in the quality cycle. They allow reflection on performance and planning improvements. These processes are foundational for QA and QI. They ensure education remains responsive and inclusive. Continuous reflection drives educational alignment with standards. The quality cycle includes planning, delivery, and assessment. Improvement follows from evaluating effectiveness. Self-assessment bridges delivery and improvement. It identifies areas needing development. This cycle ensures ongoing enhancement of educational practices. Self-assessment measures performance against benchmarks. It identifies strengths and weaknesses in practice. Improvement planning follows from assessment findings. Reflective practice encourages questioning of effectiveness. Stakeholder involvement ensures holistic evaluation. Evaluating learning programs ensures standards are met. It considers QA and QI arrangements for objective analysis. Curriculum design aligns with awarding body requirements. Teaching strategies are assessed for inclusivity and effectiveness. Continuous evaluation informs areas for enhancement. Curriculum reflects awarding body and organizational policies. It ensures coverage of learning outcomes. Inclusivity policies support diverse learner needs. Alignment with standards ensures qualification credibility. Flexibility in design can enhance learner engagement. Program delivery meets safeguarding and inclusivity standards. Lesson observations confirm teaching effectiveness. Differentiation and digital resources enhance delivery. Continuous professional development keeps teaching relevant. Innovation in delivery can enrich learner experiences. Assessments are verified for fairness and reliability. Standardization ensures consistency across programs. Feedback supports learner progression. Digital tools can streamline assessment processes. Effective assessment aligns with quality improvement goals. Achievement rates are monitored for program effectiveness. Data analysis informs improvement plans. Learner feedback enhances program engagement. Tracking long-term outcomes strengthens evaluation. Continuous monitoring aligns with stakeholder expectations. Evaluation reveals strengths and weaknesses in programs. Analyzing outcomes identifies areas for enhancement. Curriculum flexibility can improve learner engagement. Innovative teaching strategies encourage active participation. Streamlining processes supports effective learning. Curriculum design follows awarding body specifications. This ensures compliance and standardization. However, flexibility can enhance relevance. Enrichment activities and community projects engage learners. Tailoring content to local needs boosts interest. Current teaching reflects safeguarding and inclusivity. Project-based learning and digital simulations enhance delivery. Blended learning approaches encourage participation. These strategies align with real-world practices. Innovation keeps teaching engaging and effective. Verification processes ensure assessment fairness. Digital platforms streamline administration. Timely feedback supports learner progress. Accessible evidence of progress aids learning. Efficient assessment aligns with quality improvement goals. Strong retention rates reflect program success. Tracking learner destinations post-completion is vital. Systems for employment tracking enhance quality improvement. Aligning with labor market needs boosts relevance. Continuous support ensures positive learner outcomes. Staff meet CPD requirements for professional growth. Subject-specific upskilling enhances teaching. Peer observation and professional networks support innovation. Industry placements keep teaching sector relevant. Continuous development ensures teaching excellence. In conclusion, addressing evaluation outcomes plays a crucial role in enhancing the effectiveness of learning programs. Increasing curriculum flexibility and adopting diverse teaching strategies are essential for meeting learners' needs. Efficient assessment and tracking systems further support learner progress and engagement. Moreover, ongoing professional development ensures that teaching practices remain innovative and responsive. Collectively, these measures align with established quality assurance and continuous improvement frameworks, reinforcing the overall standard of education. Should you have any questions, please contact us via WhatsApp at 07484361688. Our team will gladly support you. Thanks for your time, and see you soon!